Happy New Year from Full Sail Mortgage. We want to thank our friends, family, past customers, and our referral sources for making 2009 a successful year for us. We know that last year was a challenge in both the finance and banking industry, and we want to make a commitment to all of our clients and referral sources that we have gone and found alternate forms of financing to help our self-employed borrowers and some of our 1099 clients who are having a challenging time during 2010. Call us today. I'd love to talk to you about your financial situation and how we hopefully can save you money or help you get into a property.